Hi, my name's Tom. I'm decorating my house for the holidays, and I was sent this next product to go ahead and review, which is perfect because it's just in time to put some magic in the world with these. Do you recognize these? These are bubble lights. In fact, you get a set of 9 different bubble lights that you can put anywhere you want in your house as long as you have a candelabra base. That's the small little base, like a little night light here in the United States. You can go ahead and put these and you can have bubble lights anywhere you want. So again, you do get 9 of these all packed in foam. Let me show you the 3 different colors. There is the red liquid, there is the blue liquid, and then there is the yellow liquid. And they all work the same way. You plug them in, you turn them on. After about a minute, minute and a half, they will start to get warm enough and you will actually start to see little bubbles in these things. There's no glitter, there's just bubbles. Let me go ahead and show you how I'm gonna use them. So I have these Christmas candles. I put them in windows, I put them on tables, I have them all over the place. But here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and unscrew that bulb, and I'm going to put a bubble light into it. There we go. And I will do the same with the other one. So here we go. After about a minute or so, we have our bubbles bubbling on a candle base, and it looks very Christmassy, very holiday, and you can see the magic. Those bubble lights just work great. Now, you can use these on anything that happens to have a candelabra bulb base. So this is just a nightlight. I would normally just plug it in. I put a little nightlight bulb on top and I call it a day. But you could put a bubble light into this as well. Just turn it on and there you go. You have a bubble light wherever you need it. And because this set has 9 different bubble lights, you can put these things all over your house. And again, you get 3 of each color, 9 different bulbs all together. That's great. If you happen to have ceiling fan lights that are straight up and down, or if you have candelabra, wall candelabra bases where the base is actually a candelabra type bulb, you could also put them there. There's a lot of different places that you can put bubble lights. So if you're nostalgic, if you're decorating your house for Christmas and you want to add some magic and you've kind of forgotten how cool these little bubble lights are, you don't need to get a special strand of lights anymore. You can just go ahead and get this set of 9 bubble lights and put them all over your house. Surprise people, delight people. I guarantee they will be a conversation starter for the holiday parties. They'll say, oh my gosh, I remember those. I used to have those. And they'll tell you all kinds of stories about Christmases from the past where bubble lights were actually a big thing. These things have actually been around since the 1940s. So a lot of memories with these. They really just kind of make Christmas pop for a lot of people. So yeah, I highly recommend if you're looking for something magical for different for your Christmas decor, pick up this set of 9 different bubble lights, 3 of each color. They're great. I highly recommend them.